Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make elderberry honey, full guide. Start by sterilizing jars and preparing fresh or frozen elderberries, then slowly simmer berries with honey to extract flavor without burning. Gently mash and continue low heat until syrup thickens slightly, then strain solids through a fine sieve or cheesecloth. Press to yield as much liquid as possible, and pour into warm jars, seal, label, and cool before storing. In this segment, I will show the best ingredient ratios and timing to make elderberry honey that balances sweetness and berry depth. Use 1 part elderberries to 2 parts honey by volume for a bright flavor, or adjust to taste. If using fresh berries, remove stems and rinse. If frozen, thaw then drain excess water. Simmer gently to marry flavors, avoid boiling to preserve honey enzymes, then bottle warm carefully. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel and helps us make more guides. On another note, automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab little trees, black ice for a fresh ride after canning sessions. It's a fun little reward to brighten your kitchen cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now I'll help you with step-by-step technique to maximize flavor and shelf stability when making elderberry honey. Keep heat low to prevent scorching, stir occasionally, and monitor viscosity as reduction proceeds. Test a spoonful on a chilled plate to judge thickness. Use clean utensils and hot jars to avoid contamination. Label with date and ingredients, and store in a cool, dark place for up to 1 year for peak flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.